Hi, welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel Easy Accounting. In this video, I would like to explain about EMI calculation of a vehicle loan. Okay, see here I already prepared one example. Here Mr. A took a loan from a financial company or a bank, 5 lakhs for purchasing a car. Okay, so the interest rate is 8% and this duration of the loan is 2 years, that is 24 months. So here for 24 months of a loan, here EMI, that is equated monthly installment coming is 22,613.65 paise. This is the EMI coming. This EMI includes interest as well as principal amount. So through this table we are calculating how much interest is coming for each installment. Likewise, how much amount is allocating to the principal amount out of this EMI. That is, out of the 22,613.65 paise EMI, how much includes for the interest and how much includes for the principal amount. Here you can see that here interest amount is going down like a descending order. See here, whenever we are checking to the 23rd or 24th installment, this interest portion is only 149.76. All the remaining amount of the EMI is going towards principal amount. But here see, in the initial stages, this principal out of the EMI, the principal amount portion is less. But whenever time progressing, that is whenever installment remittance is progressing, automatically the principal amount is increasing and the interest amount is decreasing. That is, principal amount is going like an ascending order. See 19 to 80, 19 408 like that. So whenever coming to the 23rd or 24th area, you can see almost 22,315 is going towards principal amount. Okay, so here interest amount is coming down like a descending order. That is, from 3,333 means second installment onwards, see this interest amount is reducing from 3,333 to 3,204 like that. So this is interest amount is going like a descending order and the principal amount is going like a ascending order. So together you can see here loan balance. Whenever every installment is remitting, automatically the loan balance is reducing like this. See, if you are checking a 15th installment, after completing a 15th installment, 196,000 is already paid towards the principal amount. Okay, 196,000 is the only amount remaining for the 5 lakh loan. All the remaining amount is already paid like that. So here this is the EMI table. This is principal amount. This is the interest for not for 1 year, interest for 2 years. Interest for 2 years. Then total payment. So for a loan of 5 lakhs, this Mr. A should pay 5,42,727.50 paise within 2 years for clearing this loan. Okay, so this is the calculation table of EMI for a vehicle loan. So let's see how this will work out. Okay, so let's go to a worksheet. Okay, here I already put the heading and everything here. Okay, now let's start the work. See, this is the number of installments. That is how many number of installments are required for 2 years loan. That is 24 months. See here 24 months. Then name of borrower, we can put here A. A is the person, and loan amount is 5 lakh. Okay, 5 lakh. Annual interest rate, I already told you 8%. Okay, then payment per year. 1 year, how many payment will come? Then you can see 1 year 12 payment should come. Okay, then interest rate per period, that means interest rate per month. This 8% is 8% per annum. So whenever 8% per annum means per month should be calculated like this, is equal to 8% divided by 12. See, like this. Then number of years, how many years? This loan is for 2 years. Okay, then total payments, how many payments will come for this loan? 2 years means is equal to 2 into 1 year 12 payments, so 24. Okay, the next is the important one. This is monthly payments, that is EMI, equated monthly installment. So this we should calculate. How we can calculate this? Monthly EMI should be calculated by using the formula, financial formulas. So for this one we are using the formula PMT. Under the formulas we can select the financial. Under the financial we have to select the PMT, that is PMT means monthly repayment of a loan amount, that is PMT. That is, we can say EMI. So what should be the EMI required for this loan of 5 lakhs? Suppose we took a loan of 5 lakhs. What would be the monthly EMI, or what would be the monthly payment required? So that portion we have to first calculate. How? See, here go to formulas, then out of the formula select financial, then out of the financial you should select PMT. You can see PMT. So select PMT. Whenever you are selecting PMT, you will get a function arguments window, small window you will get it. Out of this window you can see first one is a rate. So what should be the rate? Rate means this is interest rate per period, that is rate, that you should select. Then go to NPR. NPR means total number of payments. So for a loan of 2 years, how much total payment, how much number of payments should come? That is 24 payments should come. So NPR means total number of payments. So you should select here total payments, that is 24. Then next one is, see, you can see here PV. PV means present value, that is you can select the loan amount. Okay, then put OK. Whenever you are put OK, then you will see here this is minus figure is showing. So to avoid this minus figure we have to put one minus in the before PMT, is equal to, before PMT you should put one minus mark. Okay, now you can understand that for a loan of 5 lakhs you should pay 22,613.65 paise as EMI every month. Okay, next portion is interest. How we can IPM, how we can calculate the interest? IPM, that means out of the EMI amount, this EMI comprises interest as well as principal amount. So you have to calculate how much should be the interest for each installment and how much for the principal amount for each installment. So that portion we have to calculate. So first here we have to calculate interest. How we can calculate interest? The same, we have to go to formulas. Out of the formulas you should select financial, then out of the financial you should select IPMT. Okay, whenever you are selecting the IPMT you will get a small window. That window shows first one rate. What is the rate? The same rate 0.01, that is interest rate per period, that you should select. Next one is per here means installment numbers. That means number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 24 installments. So we should select the installment installment. So here installment number 1, that is number of installments. Here first one, okay, number 1. Then next one is NP year. That means total number of payments. How much would be the total number of payments? Here 24 months. 24 months is the period. So which means 24 would be the payments. Okay. So you should select total payments 24. Next one is present value. That means loan amount. You should select the loan amount of 5 lakhs. Okay. Then put OK. We put OK. Now it's also showing a minus figure. So to avoid that minus figure, we should rectify like this. After is equal to, you should put 1 minus mark. Then OK. Now it's OK. Okay. Next one is principal amount. So this EMI includes, I already told you this EMI includes interest as well as principal amount. So we should calculate the principal amount after calculating interest. So here also the same like formula. Go to formulas, then select, go to formulas, then select financial. Then out of this financial we have to select PPMT. That is PPMT means principal amount. Okay. So you should select PPMT. Whenever selecting PPMT, you will get a small window. That window includes a rate. What is the rate? Rate here means interest rate. That you should select this one. Next one, per. Per here I already told you number of installments. So here number of installments. How many installments? This is the first installment. So you should select number A. Okay, number A, out of the A column you should select 1. Okay. Next one is NP year. That means total number of payments. How many payments are required for this loan? That is total payments are 24 payments. You should select 24 total payments. Then present value. That is loan amount. You should select 5 lakhs. Then put OK. Now you should get a figure that is also minus. So is equal, after is equal to, you should put 1 minus mark. Then amount will be OK. Now we got principal amount. So whenever this interest and principal amount is adding, you will get the total EMI amount. Okay. Now we have to calculate the loan balance. How we can calculate the loan balance? That is equal to 5 lakh is the principal amount. Out of the principal amount, you should minus the principal amount. You will get the loan balance amount. Out of the, then we have to put a formula here. Loan balance. This is the loan balance available minus this one, like that. Okay. And we can drag this until 24. Okay. Next one is, see, we have to lock some area here. Then only we can drag, we can copy the monthly EMI as well as interest and principal amount to down. See here, we have to lock F4. F4 we should lock, then H4 also we should lock, then C4 also we should lock. Next interest. Here also F4 we should lock. Then A4, see here this A4 is not required lock because this number of installments every month should be changed. So that's why don't make a lock, don't make any lock in A4, column A4. Okay. Column A, row 4. Okay. Next one is here H4 you should lock. Here also we should lock. Then principal amount also we have to lock F4. A4 don't lock at this area, don't lock this one. Then C4 also should lock. See here, don't lock, put enter. Now select these three columns and drag it down. Now see, you can see total principal amount is 5 lakh coming here. This we can put a little bit bigger one. Okay, now see here this small table showing EMI amount is showing here, then principal amount is showing here, interest for 2 years here, and total payment is 5,42,727.50 paise. So here this is the total EMI amount. Out of this EMI amount, this is the breakup of EMI. Out of this EMI, 42,727.50 paise paying against interest, and 5 lakh is paying against the principal amount. Altogether, this Mr. A should repay 5,42,727.50 paise to the financial company or bank for clearing his car loan. Okay, so this is the way we can prepare the EMI. We can prepare the loan amount, that is EMI, interest and principal amount. For any amount we can calculate like this. Suppose if you are putting like this, if you are changing this amount here like this 6 lakh, see here you can get amount should be vary. Okay, suppose if you are putting 10 lakh, see total repayment is 10,85,000 something is coming. So that means 10 lakhs against the principal amount and 85,000 against the interest. So this is the way we can calculate the EMI. Okay, so one more thing, whenever in the initial stage, see the interest amount will be more and principal amount will be comparatively less. So whenever installments are progressing, then interest amount will be reducing, just like in an ascending order. Here principal amount is, in the initial stage principal amount will be less. That is, out of the EMI, principal amount portion will be less and interest portion will be more. But whenever time progressing or installments remittance is progressing, automatically this principal amount is increasing. The portion of principal amount is increasing with every installment. So this principal amount is going like an ascending order, and this interest amount is going like a descending order. So this is the way we can calculate the EMI for a vehicle loan or a personal loan or a house loan, home loan. Whatever the case, we can calculate the EMI with interest and principal amount like this. Then we will get every stage we can understand what would be the balance amount to remit to the company. Suppose here, after taking this, suppose 15th, after completing the 15th installment, we have only 1,96,000 is balance out of the 5 lakh loan. So this is the way we can calculate. I hope you understand the video, and if you like the video, kindly subscribe, share and comment. Your valuable comments are very important for me for improving my works. Thank you very much.